Welcome to Proxima UK. This is the S2C receiver. This clip will show us how to delete a transmitter. To delete a registered transmitter, press the button on the receiver 3 times. Now press the transmitter's button within 5 seconds to delete. The receiver will emit multiple beeps to confirm, and now the transmitter will not open a gate or barrier. To return the receiver to factory settings, press the button and release after hearing 4 continuous beeps. When the receiver next beeps, press the button again. Multiple beeps confirm the action, and the receiver is now restored to factory settings.